Welcome to our quick guide on how to turn off your active status on Facebook. If you've ever wanted a little more privacy while scrolling through your feed, this update walks you through the steps clearly and simply. First, open the Facebook app on your device. You'll land on your familiar home screen, ready to dive into your settings without any fuss. Look for the three lines, the menu icon, and tap it. On most devices, you'll find this in the bottom right corner for iPhone users or in the top right corner for Android users. This opens a compact panel with shortcuts to your favorite features. From here, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap that first, then select Settings. This is where Facebook stores most of your account preferences, so you're just a few taps away from adjusting who sees you online. Next, focus on the section labeled Audience and Visibility. Here you'll find Active Status. Tap Active Status to enter the controls that govern who can see when you're still active on Facebook and when you've recently been online. Now, you'll see the option to show when you're active. There's a simple toggle next to it. Slide this off to disable the feature. When the toggle is off, friends won't be able to tell when you're currently online or recently active. To finish, confirm your choice by tapping Turn Off. This final step ensures your preference is saved and you're all set. You can return to your feed with the added privacy, knowing you won't appear as active to others unless you choose to. If you ever want to re-enable your status, you can simply follow the same steps and toggle show when you're active back on. It's a quick switch that doesn't affect your ability to use Facebook, just how visible you are to others. That's all there is to it. Turning off your active status is a straightforward way to take back a bit of control over your online presence while you browse, comment, and enjoy your time on Facebook.